Okay, second example. Okay. So they're asking you to write a quadratic at vertex form. That's mean this form. So what information you need to know? A, H, and K, right? How do you get H and K? What is H and K? That's the vertex. All right, Chris, what is the vertex right here? -2 and 4. Very good. Make sure you got it correctly. Not 4, -2. Okay. Sometimes you also messing about X and Y. All right. So Chris, what is H and what is K? K is very good. 1 point for Chris. Who can tell me what to write in here? Leilani? +2, very good. Remember to switch the sign of H on your note. So this is -2. When you plug it in here, it must be +2. Because the formula is X minus H. That's when you just switch the sign. Okay? Square, what is the last one? +4, very good. 1 point for Leilani. Yeah? Now, how can I find A? Based on the note, how can I find A? Yeah, Louis. You find extra point, right? What is the extra point you can tell here? Remember to choose the point right on the spot. Okay? If you choose the wrong one, the one that's not on the spot, it's not going to be correct. So -1. Okay, you took this one. -1 and 1. What else you have? Just write down. -3 and 1, right? Which one you think is better? -1, 1. Choose the one smaller. Also choose the one that has 0. I don't think we can find any 0 right here. Yeah, the 0 right here is not on the spot, so it's not a correct one. It's not a good one. So I'm going to choose -1 and 1. That means X is -1, Y is 1. Okay. I'm going to plug it in here. I plug it in here, not here. I plug it right here because this one I only know H and K. Okay. So Y is 1. Plug it in 1. Copy everything. A. X is -1, so -1 right here. +2 square +4. -1 plus 2 is? -1 plus 2? 1 square plus 4, 1. 1 square is 1, so 8 plus 4 equal to 1. Subtract 4. I know you can do this, but just make sure that you don't divide by 4 or you're gonna do something crazy. Okay, so my A is -3. Is it done? Are we done? Can I stop right here? No, if you stop right here, I'm going to take 1 point off. Even though you found all the information, but you didn't plug it in. Like, I give you the question, you do everything, but you didn't answer me. What is this? Yeah? Like, I asked you, what's your name? Oh, I was born in here, and then at what time in here? You didn't give me my name. So give me your name. Like, give the answer the question they're asking you. Okay? So, okay, let me give me +2. Very good. 1 point for Lenny. Okay? Easy? So let me ask you this. Give me a thumbs up if you understand this for so far. And then give it this if you have something confusing and this you don't understand at all. Okay, good. I see like this as well, like other things, I think you understand this. Can I erase this? Okay, hold on. Do you want to take a picture? It will be correct. Yeah? Alright, last one for this part. How about you want to do it by yourself and check? Yeah, let's do it by yourself. Raise your hand when you finish. Yeah, do it by yourself. This is not too hard. Raise your hand if you finish or if you have any question.
But isn't minus just the formula? No, minus is in the formula.
It's correct, but you take one. Oh, wow. No. Wow, interesting. Close. Almost. No. Wow, really? I only saw so far only one correct.
Mister, we put our whole table. Our whole table for you. Go to battery. That's it, just go to battery.
Mister. Don't listen to him. I didn't tell you. I will ask you to do the warning.
Are you subtracting?
Which one? 1/3.
Are you adding it in the parentheses or subtracting?
82.
Are you adding it in the parentheses or subtracting?
I have my
Wait, how do you check this? I even sent you a message.
When it was outside,
That's very cool.
13.
Okay, can we do the class?
Yes, I know.
How is this easy?
Is it this? Negative?
Almost.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let me do this. Let me do this. So, I think that most of you like mess up with the sign or something. I don't know. But you got different answer. You're gonna do this and you're gonna check what is your mistake, okay? Reflect yourself. Reflect which one you did wrong.
How? That's
Okay.
not possible.
H and K, what is the vertex? Alright, K, Valerie. 4, 0. Okay? Solve your solid 0, 4 as well. So mess up the X and Y. 4, 0. So H is 4. K is 0. Yeah, 1 point for Valerie. Okay? She's waiting for it.
It takes your picture.
She's not gonna move on until I say that. Okay. When you block it, they have A, X, what?
-4.
Minus 4.
That's the reason why. That's the reason why. A lot of you saw is X plus 4. Alright, Jama, give me the whole thing. X.
-4 squared.
You don't need to plus 0, right? This is plus 0, but again, you need to plus 0. Alright. Alright, you're gonna keep going. Choose one extra point.
I choose 1 and -3.
Yes. There are 2 points. There are 2 points around the spot. This point, 1, -3, and this one, 7, -3. This one is not on the spot, so don't use this, okay? Which one is better?
1 negative
1, -3. Yeah. 1 point for younger. So I'm gonna choose 1, -3. Now plug it in. Whenever I see y, I replace by -3. A x is 1 minus 4 square. What is 1 minus 4?
negative 3.
-3. What is -3 squared?
9 8.
What do you do next? Did you find any mistakes so far? For those who didn't get it correctly? Is my A is -3 over 9? No. If you keep this, I'm gonna take 1 point off. Very critical. You need to. Yes. So -3 over 9 is
Negative 1.
-1 over 3. All right. Who can give me the final answer? All right, Fernando.
I use a negative 1/3 over 10.
Huh? What?
This parentheses,
That's
then
crazy.
minus 4, parentheses square.
We're like this exactly the same.
No, you're missing a negative something. That's the reason.
No, I didn't get it wrong in the first place. It's the last one.
All right, who got this one right? This one right too. Yeah. Okay. Good. Good.
She has 62.
Let's move to part B.
No, I know this song in my YouTube, but there's nothing different.
Huh?
I like multitask, not like triple task. This time I do my homework. This time I watch people.
So again, the assemble, they're asking about standard form. Let me just review this. But in here, they only give you A is 1. And this one A is -1. So you don't need to find A. And how do you know when A is 1 and when it's A -1? You look at the graph, right? It's up and up, that means it's positive. So I know this one going to be here. I can do this step right here. do exactly the same thing at the vertex form like we just did on the part A, and then distribute to convert to standard form. Yes. So again, vertex is 1, -3, 1, -3. Plug it in. I have this. Now, is it the answer? No. You need to get either this form or you need to get a standard form, right? Okay, we handle this.
What? What is it?
Okay, we handle this. Okay, you make this become some like this.
Get another point.
You already found everything.
Really?
Why?
Yeah, really.
You don't get another point?
Distribute.
No, we don't need to. Very. What equal to y equal to
So like
1x square root x2 plus minus 1 x plus minus 3. Oh, okay. So remember this. This is very, very popular. This is not this. Okay? Very common mistake. Later on we will learn this. What is this equal to? But this is not equal to this. Yeah? But just give barely 1 point. So here, what we're gonna do?
X.
This is not equal. Chris wants to give us a short. You want to give a short? What is this? Distributive property. What is square mean? Time by itself, right? Multiplied by itself, right? So square of this one doesn't mean this one multiplied by itself. Right? Yeah? Correct? Do you agree? How many of you have heard about FOIL?
What?
FOIL. How many of you have heard about FOIL?
material?
Huh? The material? FOIL. Who remember this what FOIL is? Okay, Yonga.
No, I don't know what it stands for, but I know that.
But you heard this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let me tell you what it is, but I'll tell you another story about my experience. Okay. F is stand for first. First. O stand for
Order.
huh?
Order.
Outer. I stand for
Intelligence.
intelligent. Now you be more creative, Tina. L stand for
Last.
Lee, Mr. Lee. Yeah, L stand for Lee. No. L stand for last. Let me tell you, I didn't learn this in my country. No, I didn't learn this. I just heard this when I came here. Oh, they teach you this, then I need. Let me tell you what this first, and then I tell you how did I learn this. Okay. This means first. Okay, first you see two parentheses, right? First, okay, first with first. Outer. This is the outer. This is the inner. So outer, you multiply this with this. Inner. That means this one. You multiply this with this. Last. That means last of this and last of this. You multiply this and this. That's the FOIL. It just show you the order of multiplication. Okay. I didn't learn this in my country because what if you see something like this? What if you see something like this? This is not FOIL anymore, right? There's no outer, there's no inner, there's no last. This is how I learned in my country. You just start multiply every single thing on the first parenthesis to every single thing to the second parenthesis. That makes more sense. Like I start with one first, right? So I multiply everything with this. Everything. After I done this, I move to the next one. Multiply everything. Yeah? And then I move to the next one. I multiply
Mister,
everything.
isn't that what FOIL is?
That's FOIL, but FOIL only 4 terms. Can you this is not FOIL.
That-
This is not FOIL.
Never mind.
But anyway, you just whatever work for you. Whatever work for you, okay? This is like what is the order, how many terms you're gonna have. But if you have more, just know that you need to multiply each one to each every single thing on the first parenthesis with every single thing on the second parenthesis. Yeah? So this is the first, okay, this is the outer. This is the inner. You have 2 inner here. But
It's the same concept.
it's the same concept, yes. But for some students they don't get I only see outer inner. What is this? Which one is outer, what inner? What is FOIL?
What is this?
So anyway, look at this. Let's do one by one. X times x is
X squared.
x squared. Yeah. Next one. X times negative 1.
Negative
Negative
X.
x. Now I'm done with this one. Let's move to next one. So don't need to know what for it. Okay. Then negative 1 times x. Negative x, right? So it's
Oh
negative
my
x.
god.
And then this one.
Plus 1.
Negative 1 to negative 1 is positive 1. So plus 1. Let's copy it out to negative 3. Can I stop here?
No.
You need to clean stuff. Combine that term, right? Which one is combined?
Negative x and negative
Negative x and
x.
negative x. So x squared is still there.
Negative 2.
Negative 2x. 1 minus 3 also
Negative
combine that
2.
term, right?
Minus 2.
Negative 2. That's it? Yeah? Does it look like the one we're looking for? Yes.
No.
Yes.
Oh, I saw B. It said no B here. Okay, I'm going to send you to answer the 1. Yeah? Are we good? Later on, we're gonna learn this. I'll just tell you if you're curious. Later on, we're gonna learn this. X minus y squared is equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. We're gonna learn this formula. Ruby, you remember this? Alan, remember this? Sure. Yeah. You're gonna learn that one. You learn all the formula. If you look at this, it actually is here, right? So x minus 1 squared, x minus 1 squared is x squared, yeah, x squared minus 2xy. Okay, so minus 2xy, so minus 2x. Last one plus y squared, that means plus 1 squared and you have plus 1. So if you know that formula, you don't need to distribute. But later, don't worry about it if you don't get this. We're gonna learn that later. Yes? Any question for this? So give me a sign, it's thumbs up if you understand it. This is confusing and then you don't understand at all. Alright, so which part do you think is most confusing? Is this one? Yeah, okay. Good. Let me do it again. Good. So are we good from here? Are we good from here? Yeah? Just look at it S and K, we good from here, right? So let's talk about this. Y equal to x minus 1 square minus 3. Are you with me on here? Yes? Okay, now what we're going to do? I'm going to do very, very slowly. Square, that means you multiply by itself, right? So 2 for this one, that means this, multiply it by itself, okay? Then 3 to copy it, okay? Are we good?
Yes.
Yes? Alright, Josephine, Jacob, let's focus here. This is confusing. Yeah? I hope you understand this. So, what you need to do when you see something like this is you multiply every single thing on the first
To the
parenthesis
second.
to every single thing on the second parenthesis. Okay? Start from the first one, left to right. Start from this. X times x. What is x times x? X squared.
Square.
Now I've done this. I move to next one. X times negative 1. What is x times
Negative
negative 1?
x.
Negative
Negative x.
negative x. Yeah? I'm done with this because there's no more, right? No more over here to
Negative
multiply. I move to next one. Negative 1. Now negative 1 times x is negative x. Okay? As long as I've done this, I move to next one. Negative 1 times negative 1 is
Plus 1.
plus 1, positive 1. Yeah?
Minus 3.
And then minus 3, just copy down. I will go from here. Now you know why this become this. Better? Better. Why do we just multiply them? Multiply this with this, go one by one. This with this with this. I'm done this, no more to multiply. Move to next one. Do with this, do with this. Yeah? Okay, now this is just combine that term. Negative x and negative x is negative 2x, right? 1 and negative 3 become
Negative 3.
negative 2. Is it better? So they call this process is FOIL. Again, this is the first, outer, inner, last. It just shows you where you multiply. First, outer, inner, last, but basically the same thing. Multiply every single thing on the first one to the second one. Keep it low. Gạt cái nào. Mr. Workout to do math. Yes. There, question. Yes. AOS. So AOS. What about AOS? AOS right here, right? Oh, for the vertex, you need to use the vertex. You need to use the vertex because that's the H and K. If you use all the point, they are not H and K, right? Yeah. Very good question though. You just give Melanie 1 point. Again, you need to get the vertex because that's the information for H and K. Yeah. Another one to ask me. I think I love answering questions. Like example 5, right? Yeah, we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. That's why the example 5 you see double star. Are we done with this? Can we move on? Better? If not, okay. Today is Thursday. I have a tutoring. You can come to my tutoring. Yeah. You always have homework.
Oh my God,
Is it this tomorrow?
But see, I'm gonna skip you some.
Is it this tomorrow?
Do tomorrow. Yes.
How are you gonna have to do it?
The parent component from 5 to 7. My material is from 3:45 to 4:30. Whose parent gonna come? No, it
You
is.
weren't there.
Yeah. Well, last time I got a
My
photo.
mom was like, "Oh, your mother's Asian. I want to see it."
Okay. Look at this. Number 5, double star. There's a reason why double star. So write this note. Write this note. Who know what I'm gonna write? Just give the question to the next one. No. If you don't see, get your attention. It's very important. My beautiful people. Watch it. Watch it. If you cannot tell, if it's not easy to tell what is the vertex, don't guess, don't estimate, because you're not gonna get it correctly. Okay? So if the vertex point is not easy to be identified, very interesting in front of you. Then what do you want to do? You want to go to the next question. No, just kidding. Choose any 2 points and plug them into the equation. To find B and C. So if the vertex point is not easy to be identified, choose any 2 points and plug them into the equation to find B and C. Because 2 equations, you can find 2 variables. Okay, so is it easy to find this vertex? No, right? Don't estimate. Oh, this I think it's a 3.5. No, don't do this. You never know. You never know. Sometimes it's a fraction. Sometimes you never know. So when this happens, you need to choose any 2 points. Okay. What are the 2 points?
2,
Oh, 1, 1. Yes, very good. 1, 1. What else?
2 and 3.
I always have 2, 3. Yes, 2, 3. What else? 4, 1. Oh, right. Yes, as well. Right. This is good. What is that?
Oh, 3, 3.
Huh?
0, -4.
Oh, 3, 3. Yeah. Okay, 3, 3. And then this one is 0, 8, 3. Why do you think is the 2 point is a good one? What are 2 good points?
1, 1, and
1, 1, and
2, 3.
0. 0 is good. 0 is good. You never know what it can cancel out for the 0. whatever 2 points. Okay, this one means x equal to 1, y equal to 1, and this one means x equal to 0, y equal to -3. So here the tip: try with the 0 first, because you never know. Sometimes it can cancel something. Have your set your time. So I'm gonna plug in one first. Where do I plug it in? Which one? So I have -x squared plus bx plus c, or y equal to x squared plus bx plus c. Negative, right? Because this is downward. So plug in here. Y, I'm gonna plug in here. Y is -3, so -3 equal to negative. Don't forget the negative. Oh, -x squared, but that's 0 squared. Plus b times 0. See? Try the 0 first. You know what happened? This gone. So c equal to -3. Yeah? It's a take note. Like, you imagine like you need to talk like 3 periods like this. Exalted. So c equal to -3, right? Now you only found 3. C. Now you need to find b. And using the other point to find b. Okay? So let me continue over here. Y is 1. So plug it in. Y is 1 equal to -x squared. What is x? What is x? 1. And so make sure you know where to look. So x squared plus bx, but x here is 1. Bx is 1. Plus c. What is c? -3. We just found this, right? So -3. Now can you find b? Easy, right? So, this is -1 or 1? -1. Yeah, no parentheses, negative. -1 plus b. Okay, let's just give that 1 point. Yeah. Don't worry, you need to get 1 point. Raise your hand. -1 and -3, what is that? -4. -4 plus b equal to 1. What are you going to do next? Don't know, what do you do next? Plus 4. Okay, plus 4 both sides. So b is 5. Okay, you're going to give me the final answer. So you can give the point. Y equal to? This one, because this is downward, right? Tell me a second what to write.
Oh, because the square doesn't apply to this.
Oh yeah.
Okay, right. Alright, who else? Who didn't have point today? Alright, Sabrina.
You just put it.
Yeah, sure, try. Alright, who next? You want to try again? Y equal to tell me. If I write it, that's mean correct. If I don't write it, it means not correct. So, downward. Okay, Natalie. Very good. Yeah, that's easy, right? 1 point for Natalie. Are we good? Do we know? Did you get this? Alright, give me the sign, so I know. Okay. Or only a couple. I can work with you separately, individually. So, can I move on? Yes? Can I erase it? This part very fast. It's not very fast. You're almost there. Almost done. What problem? Again? Even though, yeah, it's can maybe look intimidating, but does it tell you what is the strategy to do the word problem? There's a lot of wording, but you just need to underline what? Underline the given information, the important information, and what you do with the question. You box it. Trust me, when you do that, not all of them important. They just give you the context. That's why. Maybe the thing I'm sorry. So maybe the last time someone called something. That's why I stopped. So I should I should put on airplane or something. Okay, can someone read this? Go on, point.
Go.
See, you always complain. That's why I need you want to get your point. Who doesn't have any point? You should get point.
The skip marker is a dart dart into the air during class. The height of the dart shot into the air at y is given by the equation y equals negative 12x squared plus 18x plus 4, where x is a horizontal distance in feet from where the dot was shot. Find the maximum height that the dart reaches it.
Yeah, see? Thank you. One more for you. A lot of words, but which one important? Only these two. Okay, this is maximum is the question. That's it. You don't need to care about the other wording. See, this is not really hard. So they give you the function y equal to negative 12x squared plus 18x plus 4. Maximum. When we're talking about maximum, what do we need to care about? The down.
The Y vertex.
The y vertex. Exactly what it is. One more look at it. Anytime we talk about maximum or minimum, we're talking about y vertex. Remember that. Okay? So we talk about y vertex. Remember that. Can you find the vertex from this? Oh, anyway, what is form is this? It's a standard form or vertex form? Standard form, no parentheses, right? How can you find the vertex on the standard form? Who can remember?
Negative.
No one, right?
How do you find the
Taylor. Yeah, x vertex is x. Oh, if you want to find y vertex, you need to get the x vertex first because it is standard form, right? So this is x vertex. Negative 0 to 2a. Yeah, one more for Kayla. All right, can someone tell me what to write? Help me the calculations. All right, Ruby.
So, negative or minus whatever, 18, 2 times negative 2.
Very good. So let me have out here. So negative 18 over negative 24. Again, you just need to work on a number first. Okay, so 18 over 24. How many negative right here? 2. Negative.
Oh, it is the other.
Negative and negative 2. So this become positive. So you don't need to write anything. Okay. 18 over 24. I think you can simplify divided by 6.
Yeah, 3 over 4.
Yeah, divided by 6. We have 3 over 4. Yeah.
Negative point.
You don't find the
Yeah. Repeat 1 point. Okay, David, you want to help me so can you get a point? How can you find y vertex?
I use it like an X. Wait.
That's 4, right? Do you agree? Just plug it in to find y vertex, right? Okay, David, this is how we calculate it. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna wait for him until the end of period. It's gonna take long. Huh? Right?
That would be 108. No?
To get simplify this, divide by 4 is 3, right? Divide both of us 4. So negative 27 over 4 plus 54 over 4 plus 4. So this one will be 27 over 4 plus 4 becomes 16 over 4. Again, this I do fast because you have calculator. Just do calculator because I do by hand. But so I'm gonna do fast, but just do calculator. You're gonna have calculator on the test. So this is gonna be 43, right? 43 over 4.
You're gonna have an ugly number.
So that estimate is 17.5, I guess. Somewhere you can just calculate it. That's the answer. Because that's the y value. Don't worry about calculation. Just plug it in, find the x, and plug it in to find the y. Okay? You gotta do by hand. So look at this, but I will try to not giving you the ugly number. But if you see the ugly number, don't be afraid. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. Oh, fraction! I don't want you to do this. Question.
This is not easy.
Like what is this? Oh, this is just plug it in. This is just plug it in 3 over 4 into here.
The bottom part, why would you divide by 3?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I divide both this one by 4. Simplify it. This one is 12 over 16, right? I can simplify right away.
It's okay.
Divide this one by 4. Divide this one by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. You know this? Do you know you can do this? Oh, interesting. Okay.
Mr. Just
Also, this is a new thing for you then. Maybe you can multiply 40 this. 49 times 16. Do you know instead of multiply top to top, bottom to bottom, you can just cancel the number of top and the bottom? Like, okay, 7 and 49, can you cancel it? Yes, right? So I divide the 7 by 7 to get 1. Divide 49 by 7 to get 7. Now it becomes 1 and 7. Can you simplify 12 and 16 like I just did over here? 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So instead of multiply big number, now you just need to multiply 3 and 1 divided 3. 7 and 4 divided 28. That's it. Did you know this? So now you know this. Oh, you don't knew this. Okay. Why did you learn this? Algebra 1? Philippines, see? That's why I'm not saying that this country, the math level, they're very slow. But the other Asian country, they kind of very fast. We only learn like calculus 2 or calculus 3 in high school. But in here, you need to go to university to get to calculus 3. So that's why it's typical stereotype for math teacher to be Asian. It's just saying. It's true, right? Yeah. Because in Asian country, we learn higher math right on the middle school and high school. So that's why. But it is that's what they taught us as well. Any question? Again, this calculation, you can use a calculator. Yeah? Huh? Why is this?
What is that? Oh, 17?
Oh, you're asking what number is this?
Yeah.
Oh, 17.
Oh,
17.5.
No, like the Asian, like competitiveness makes the students depressed and then suicide.
No, because we were learning multiplication and fraction and
I saw a lot of confusion face. Okay, ask me. Ask me. Hi, my name is Mr. Parker. Yeah. Question?
Why is
I always say
negative? Why is
Let me hear.
negative 27 over 4 turned into positive?
Oh, okay. Because here, let's zoom in. This. I have negative 27 over 4. That's 54 over 4, right? Are the same number now on the bottom?
Yeah.
Yes, good to go. What on the top? Negative 27 plus 54 is positive 27. And then your bottom have 4. Thank you for question. That's really good. That's clarification. What? Yeah, 1 point for Ruby. This 4? This 4? This 4. Oh, sorry. I do short. I very fast. I'm glad you asked me. So because now I know the bottom had 4, so I change 4 into 16 over 4.
why? Where did the 16
Can
come
anyone
from?
answer me this why?
Oh,
Because
it's like 4 over.
Huh? Why?
Oh, because you had already like added the thing on the top, so you just turned it into a fraction.
Right. So how do you do this? How do you add this 4? 4 that means 4 over 1, right? You need to have the same denominator. So I multiply 4 and 4.
Ah.
So that becomes 16. I do fast. My main is this. I didn't want you to see it as well because you have calculator. Just calculate this. I do by hand, so that's why I just do this. But do fast for myself, not for you. But
I did 10 from like 16 to 27.
this one from here. This one.
Yeah, the blue part.
This one.
I know the 16.
This one.
And how did that too?
Yeah.
Like 27.
Oh, this from here to here. From here to here, right? Oh, yeah, that's what I just said. So I have 12 times 9 over 16, right? Again, you can top to the top, bottom to bottom. But what you can do is you can just simplify right away number on the top and number on the bottom. I see 12 and 16, they both can be divided by 4, right? 12 divided by 4, I get 3. 16 divided by 4, I get 4. So now I multiply 3 to 9 is 27. 1 to 4, I have 4. Like simplify right away. It's like 12 over 16 times 9. And then this one become 3 over 4 times 9, something like this.
Just differentiate notes now.
Any question? Yes. Yes, no, it's 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. We will learn this. We will learn this. So 3 4 square. This you distribute this power. This 3 square over 4 square. That is 9 over 16.
Maybe the next one.
Yeah. Thank you. Are we done with this one? So that's just clarification. All right, last one. We're gonna done soon. Okay.
Actually, maybe it'll say that.
You get my point.
No one will.
Oh, wait. I'm not.
All right, guess what? Read to me. Okay, Chris. See, I already there. Very good. Thank you, Chris. One more, Chris. Did you see that? A lot of words, but only this underline and the box is important. So I have the function, right? I have function R key equal to negative 25 over 2p squared plus 600p. What is p? P is
The price.
the price. Yeah. Now they give you p, the price per game is $20. What does it mean?
So plug it in.
That's mean p is 20, right? That's mean p is 20. So what you need to do is like I will tell. Yeah. Yeah. You want one for Carlos? Yeah, one more Carlos and Karen. What do you say? What are we gonna do? You just say it. Just repeat it. Plug it in. Yeah. Just plug in p equal to 20 onto the p. Yeah. One more Clarence. That's it. That's very similar to the very last question on the test, right? Just plug it in. Find this. Okay. So R.
Wait, mister, I got a question. So you know how the negative 25 over 2p squared is squared? does the over 2 belong to the p? Like, is it p squared or is it like?
They're the same thing. If you write like this, they're the same thing. You know what the question is? Like, is the 2 divided b as well? P as well? They're the same thing. The same thing. This is the same.
Okay.
Over the top and over the bottom we have 2. Same thing. Yeah. Let's just give David 1 point. Yeah. Natalie, you want to pick 1 point? Okay.
I was just asking for that.
Is that your question?
Yeah,
No. This is good because sometimes people don't know. That's why I give the point. Now I don't want to show the whole calculation. You're gonna ask me a lot. Yeah, please. 4, 7, you know what? So 4. This is 400 divided to 200. 200. This is 5,000. So this is negative 5,000, and then this is 12,000. So 7,000. Okay. I leave the calculation for you. Huh?
What?
How'd you get 5,000?
7,000.
How'd you get 7,000?
Is this gonna be on the quiz?
All right. 20 squared is 400. Oh, divided by 2. Oh, no. It's good. Yeah. 400 divided by 2 is 200. 200 times 25 is 5,000. Right? So negative 5,000 plus what is 600 times 20? So 6 times 2 is 12. How many 0? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 7,000. What did you get?
I got negative. I forgot to add the.
Oh, you forgot the negative?
Wait,
Wait, but what about the negative, mister? But what about the
It
negative?
is 7,000.
what?
It is 7,000.
Copying
But
it.
what
If you don't trust me, use calculator.
Wait, but what happens to the negative?
I did do the negative. Okay, I'll do it again. If you're curious. Okay. What is 20 squared?
400.
I do very slow.
Yes, because you're going too fast.
What is 600 times 20?
12.
You know how to multiply with a lot of zero like this?
Multiply the
Just multiply the number first. 6 times 12. 6 times 2 is 12. How many zero? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? And then let me finish this. Here, you can multiply first or divide first. Divide better. 400 divided by 2 is 200. So I have times 200. Again, just multiply the number. You add a zero later. 25 times 2 is 50. 20. Negative. Yeah? What is negative 5,000 plus 12,000?
Oh. Okay, I see it now.
Yeah? Yeah, no, get question.
Don't you multiply the negative 25 over to the 21st before the 20?
No. Pandas, you need to take care of the exponent first.
Pandas parentheses, no?
Pandas?
A panda.
Pandas, parentheses, yes? That's why you need to take care of parentheses first.
Don't you do it?
No, if you do 25 and 2, that means you multiply first. Yeah, multiply not.
So you do it for this later.
This, you need to take care of this one first.
But it's not even in the parentheses.
Which one is inside? Only 20 inside parentheses. 25 not there. 25 is outside
So
parentheses.
it's not part of the parentheses.
No. 25 is not inside parentheses. You need to take care of parentheses first. 20 square, you need to take care of that first.
That's what I asked. Remember, that's what I asked.
Why you do multiplication first? You need to take care of the square first.
The parentheses.
Is 25 inside the parentheses?
No.
No, you take care of this. Don't look at this. Take care of this first. Take care of this one first. 20 square first.
So even
This
with the
is
different-
multiply. This is later. Multiply, not the third one.
even if it's like a different number, like let's say like two, and then parentheses 5, and then parentheses exponent 2. You have to do the
Square first. If you got 2 times 5, that's critical wrong. It's really critical wrong. Critically wrong. Pandas, parentheses, exponent, and then multiplication later. Because this is multiplication. Take care of this first. 5 squared is 25. Now you multiply this because this is multiplication. Don't multiply. That's really critical. Yeah?
Do we always divide this by the bottom number?
Which one?
Yeah, do we?
Because if they have this, then you need to divide it. Oh, we got the 2 right here. You need to divide it.
Is that applicable for everything?
For everything.
Is it always the bottom number or the thing?
Oh, because the bottom number is here from the function they give you.
Wait, okay, wait. So why is it divided and not multiplied?
Because this is on the bottom, so you divide it.
No, but like it's like fraction. No?
because it gets
Oh, fraction? Do you know fraction is actually divided? Okay, what is 6 times 1/2? What is
No, but
this?
like instead of turning into like 800, why did it turn into 200?
How did you get 800?
Like,
Because the 2 is on the bottom. You not multiply, you divide it.
what?
That's,
Do you see the difference? This is 6 times 2.
Yeah.
But it is the 2 on the bottom. That means 6 divided by 2. Yeah? Good. Ask me so I know where your gap is. Again, learning math is you building a house. If your first floor is weak, you cannot build a second or third floor. Always go back to your gap. Don't ignore it. Okay, go back to you. Yes, bye-bye.
Why did you do like multiply times negative 25? You divide this, and like why did you do this?
Oh, so here, 25 over 2, right? But what I can do is I can divide this one first. 400 divided by 2 is 200. I can do that first.
But,
you still recording?
Yes.
but mister, you can do it anyway. Like you
Do I
can
get a
do
point?
What?
you can
This
do
is
the
still the
25.
same. This is just the same as this whole thing divided by 2.
So you can do the 25.
The thing is just clarification.
Oh, you keep on saying that.
It's not like
But then
really
you say answer. I mean, asking questions gives us a point too.
like. Did I say last time it's really good question or something? Yeah. No, I just.
So we can do
Oh,
it
Mr.
anyway.
1 2 times 3 is 6. Why is that?
So you can do it anyway. Like you don't have to divide it. You can multiply it first too.
Yeah, very good. This is one. This is a good one. Yeah, one more banana. You can multiply first or you can divide first. Either way, still give you the same answer. That's the point. Yeah. But this is division. This is scam. The whole system, the whole point system is a scam. How we get 7,000? Are we good? Again, you just use calculator this. What I do is I swear first, I have 400. The number at the bottom, I just divide it. Okay?
Can we move on?
Huh? Yeah, I know. Thank you. Let's just move on to the last one. Okay? I think it take longer for just calculation.
Mister,
Yes.
for that one, like, are we gonna have to like wrap or like, is there gonna be some?
Oh, you don't need to wrap. Yeah. So this is a good question. Yeah. Yeah. One more for Abraham. You don't need to wrap.
I got scammed twice.
All right. Five. Okay, last one. 5 prize per game. What does it mean?
5p.
5p. 1 point per grand. 5p. Okay. This is what you need to find. What else? What is the other information?
7,000.
Maximize. Very good. 1 point for Abraham. Maximize revenue. But okay, when you see the maximize, you will think to yourself, "Oh, is it y value? Is it y value?
Yeah.
Is it y value?"
Um,
So maximize that means it's a vertex, right? Maximize is a vertex. Yes or no? Yes. Only they ask you what is the maximum value. That is the y. But what do they ask you? They ask you to find the p. What is the p? That is actually the x, right?
Expert.
They just use different letter, but that's actually the x vertex. So p, you can understand this one is the x vertex. So, did we already found this on the part A? No?
7,000.
Yes.
Oh, no. This is another question, right? I'm gonna start trusting you. Okay. Okay, how do you find the x vertex? Everyone help me? Huh?
Did we already find that?
No, that for I think the last question, not this question. The question, this part A, you just plug it in 20, right? So, who want to get some point? Alright. This one, and you get any point? Jacob, you want to try your point? Andrea? Just x over negative 2b. Just plug it in, easy, get some point. It hurt your grade. So, any of you? Jacob, Andrea, Josie? Andrea? Yeah, Andrea, go ahead. What is b? Look at the function. What is b? What is b here? 25 in front of b squared. That is the a, right? Ax squared plus bx. So what is b? 600. Yeah. Okay, tell me 2 times a. What is a? Okay, another calculation question. Okay, good. 1 point for Andrea. What can you do in here? Cancel the. You got this. Good. When I learned all this thing, we only do the calculation by hand. Back then, it's expensive to get a calculator. So, always find a good way to do it. So 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, you can cancel out. Okay. So what we have left is 600 over 25. How many negative you see? 2. So it become positive. So now you need to simplify this. Can 600 be divided by 5? 120? Is that the final answer?
600
Yeah.
divided by 25 is not 120.
Is it 120?
No, it's 24. 24
What?
divided by 25.
I agree.
It's
Take
24.
one.
Can I get a point?
Because you divide
No,
by
it's just
25.
like, it's there. Yeah, 24. You 74?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't count this. Is that the final answer?
No.
Who say yes? Who say no? So if it no, then what do we do next? What do we need to do next? Find the y? Is that what they're asking you? They're asking you to find the p, right? The p in this case, the p is like the x. So actually they're asking you to find the x vertex. So this is the final answer. What is your unit? It's $24. Again, to summarize, maximize, minimize is about vertex. Maximum value, minimum value is about y vertex. Yeah, so you always need to read the question. What do they ask? Okay. Are we good? From 1 to 5, read lesson, the whole thing from 1 to 5. Give me your hand. How do you think lessons? It's hard? 5 super hard, 1 is super easy. Okay, so is that the calculation? No, you don't need to know. You don't need to know the calculation. You can use the calculator. Calculation is for me.
Mister, but fractions on the calculator?